First, Lordship, this read petition is not maintainable. First, kindly see the player A.
They have prayed for review of
Justice
an order
Bhattacheryya.
passed by Justice
Kindly see
Bhattacheryya.
the Lordship.
And the whole petition is based on that.
Reviewing the judgment and order.
Order dated 25th, passed by the gentleman.
Yes. Including judgment of Mr. Justice Dotto. But here the court is there. Why you will file a writ petition?
Petition is only limited for.
I can understand that if that court is not available. Judgment has been delivered by sitting judge who is functioning. Now, for review, why this writ petition will be entertained?
Due to the extension that given in following direction asked by this honorable court in the coordinate bench. Now we will not merge with the order, final order made by the honorable division. Now that being the position, I have to, my only limited prayer is that this cut-off date, whatever, this cut-off date issue, it has to be decided upon, because initially the cut-off date issue was there, the order was recalled by the same bench. From that, an appeal was set before the honorable Supreme Court. Such a case where
the division bench held that the cut-off.
The coordinate bench of your lordship. I'm not naming on lordship, not my matter, lordship. Not my matter. He's the Malda. I am the North. Malda review application is the pending before the single bench. I am the North. I have not filed any review application. Direct to the Supreme Court dismiss the matter. Division bench.
What division bench has said?
Petitioner lordship, here lordship, Justice Mantha passed the order. Thereafter, lordship, lots of petitioners filed the petition. Justice Mantha so cut-off date fixed. Petition is been dismissed. Thereafter, two petitioners prefer an appeal. One is Justice Tandon, one is Justice Bosa. And then dismiss the matter. Bosa also dismiss the matter. Prefer an appeal before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court straight cut, dismiss the matter. Is the review application is the Malda matter, not my matter. I am only state petitioner.
I have considered this issue in other matters.
4 to 5 judgments.
There also I have held that there is no scope left after the issue has been settled by the division bench and subsequently the SLP was dismissed. How I can at this stage raise
I'll come with all the orders and let me
no, Lordship, no, Mr. Bhattacheryya. I have taken a decision. No further keeping this matter.
Lordship, here Lordship.
An appropriate case, I will account it.
Lordship, here Lordship, pass the order, Lordship.
Give a copy to Mr. Bhattacheryya.
Single bench division bench and high court.
The issue is set at rest by the order of the division bench.
Lordship also.
Give a copy to Mr.
Here Lordship,
single bench order.
Here Justice Mantha pass an order, Lordship. Division bench pass an order. Thereafter Supreme Court pass an order. My not.
দিলাম তো এই ঘরের অর্ডারটা না এই ঘরের অর্ডারটা দিয়েছি হাওড়া অর্ডারটা দিয়েছি It is not 24 Parganas. Not in Howrah.
Not Howrah, not Lordship South.
But you have given an order that is in Howrah.
একটা order Howrah দিয়া আরে Howrah দিচ্ছ কোন তুমি single I am here Lordship just now I am.
No, my order is on Howrah.
Howrah, but Lordship Howrah and Malda, but here my case is Lordship Justice Mantha pass an order, thereafter division bench, thereafter Supreme Court. I am giving two judgments, one is Malda, one is Howrah. Malda. No, instruction, not report. Instruction. Connection with order. Only instruction. I have not filed any report. I have not filed. As per the law, I have not. Record instruction, reviewing one instruction লেখা আছে সাফিনা পারভিন কিন্তু রিপোর্ট দিয়েছে
এখানে আজকে ওঠেনি আজকে তো কত কিছু In case of not 24 Parganas, when it was decided by the coordinate bench by Justice Mantha.
Justice Bosa order.
Coordinate bench means a single bench.
Single bench.
No, that is.
Hey. So he need to.
No, a couple of
Supplementary next year.
Which paragraph?
Lordship. Paragraph 13, Lords. Paragraph 13.
That is in connection with not 24 Parganas.
Yes, not 24 Parganas order is at page 212, if I am not mistaken, you know.
You have annexed this order.
Your Lordship, you annexed 25712, your Lordship.
Saurabh Noskar.
Saurabh Noskar.
Court is considering Kakoli Mondol along with batch of matters. Saurabh Noskar is in connection with Howrah.
Yes, Howrah matters.
Kakoli Mondal to review session. Okay. Page 71 or page 71 ke kaat. मैंने काटा please.
He Lordship review the Kakoli Mondal order. Just
Kakoli Mondal. 25th. What are review?
I am taking Lordship.
Nothing contained any law with elections striking of force. Regular election, re-election,
Paragraph 13 is relevant.
13 and 14.
Applications.
All application for addition of party affirm 24.
Now, against this, whether this order was recalled.
No, my order is not recalled. Lordship.
Not 24 Pargana. Forget about other district. Not 24 Pargana was not recalled.
Lordship, my order.
Against this, an appeal was preferred.
Lordship,
Where is that order?
Lordship, I am giving.
In Sonisa.
Division.
MAT 1180 of 2024.
Yes, just in course.
Tomini Shaha. Yes.
So many Saha. They are appellate. No, yes, sir.
Civil appeal number.
Now, appeal was preferred against by the state against the order of passed by the coordinate bench on 25th April in Kakoli Mondol. What was the fate of this appeal?
Division bench, Lordship.
Yes. Now, in division bench order dated 26 November 2024, it was observed that we are informed that the order dated April 25 passed in Kakoli Supra is under challenge by the state and such appeal is pending.
That appeal, Lordship. Here the Lordship, I have not preferred any appeal, Lordship. State also not prefer any appeal.
Against this order, SLP was preferred.
Yes, Lordship, I am giving.
Yes, just it is there.
21st February 2024.
State appeal.
Here, Lordship, second Lordship,
Kakoli Mondal has been affirmed
Yes.
by the after dismissal of the SLP, after dismissal of the appeal. Special leave was granted and appeal was dismissed.
May I submit? But after the order passed by the Honorable Coordinating Bench in Kakoli Mondal, my lord, a list was published by the council, my lord, of writ petitioners who are proposed to be given appointment in connection with selection process of 2000, my lord. Wherefrom it appears, my lord, certain candidates who has got lesser merit than the petitioners were given appointment. That we have challenged that selection, that process of the
25th May 2025, this writ petition was filed.
yes,
I will not permit to unsettle the settled
so, my lord,
position.
in 2025, my lord, it has been published, my lord. In 2024, it has been published, my lord. And the Honorable Coordinate Bench has directed the in connection with the similar matter to file report, my lord, where the council has filed the report and the matter is pending before my lord. In the case of Safina Parveen, my lord. But a lesser meritorious candidate than the petitioners have been given appointment, my lord. But all the candidate who has got 11.12 has been given appointment. All the petitioners who have got higher marks than the candidates, my lord.
my second point is, Lordship, panel was published, Lordship, 10th February 2021. That, Lordship, after 1 year, Lordship, he is the expired one, Lordship, 9th February 2022.
And published on
Published on 10th February 2021, Lordship. And
2021.
2021, Lordship.
Expired on
For 9th February 2021, Lordship. A petitioner name in the panel is not there, Lordship.
panel was published on 8th February 2021
10th February 2021.
and expired on 9th February 2022.
1 year, Lordship. After 1 year.
That is in connection with 2009 selection.
Yes, nice. There are the petitioner name is not there, Lordship, in the panel, successful panel.
I have some submissions. Kindly see, it was published on the 24th of June,
2024.
2024. It was published.
But in case of Howrah, it was recorded in 2009. Panel was prepared in 2014 and same expired in 2015.
Howrah was prepared.
Howrah is another thing. Howrah is a division bench passed order. Howrah is only for the Lordship, only for the Malda and Lordship, not 24.
10th February 2021 and 9th February 2022.
This bit,
Paragraph 10, Lordship, page 30.
Issue.
Page 30, paragraph 10.
only this one. Insofar as North 24 Parganas is concerned, the documents annexed to the petition reveals that, my lord, it was published on the 24th of June 2024. And, my lord, we also have documents to show that person securing 11 marks has been favored with an appointment as against.
At this stage, I will not permit to open this issue since the panel expired. Sorry. And the division and the single bench has fixed the date. Sorry, Mr. It is too late in the date. Writ petition is filed by the candidates who are seeking consideration of their candidature in connection with 2009 selection process for appointment of primary teachers in the district of North 24 Parganas. So, it is submitted that since posts are lying vacant, petitioners being eligible candidates are required to be considered for appointment in connection with 2009 selection process. It is also submitted that less meritorious candidates were favored with appointments which confers right upon the petitioners to be considered in the said selection process. Direction prayer is made for issuance of mandamus for giving direction upon the concerned respondent authorities to make further exercise in order to appraise the candidature of the petitioners for filling up the posts of primary teacher from the pool of vacancies attached to 2009 selection process. Stop. Next paragraph. Such prayer made on behalf of the petitioners is opposed by the learned advocates representing District Permanent School Council, North 24 Parganas, and state respondents. Stop. It is submitted the issue is no more res integra in view of the order passed by a coordinate bench dated 25th April 2024, passed on batch of matters, first one being WPA 20966 of 2022 within bracket Kakoli Mundol and others versus the state of West Bengal and others, close bracket. Stop. It is also submitted that decision of Kakoli Mundol Supra was questioned before the Honorable Division Bench in connection with one intra-court appeal being MAT 1180 of 2024, but the order dated 25th April 2024 was not interfered with, which prompted some candidates to prefer one SLP before the Honorable Supreme Court, being special leave petition within bracket civil diary number S 9112/2025 within bracket Indrani Goldar and others versus state of West Bengal and others. Honorable Supreme Court video order dated 21st February 2025 dismissed special leave petition. Stop. It is also submitted, next paragraph, it is also submitted on similar facts and circumstances. This court has passed order in case of Howrah, this court has passed order in case of Howrah District Primary School Council, which covers the issue involved in this petition. Now, in case of this court has passed order in case of Howrah District Primary School Council in WP on a writ petition being WPA 10790 of 2025 within bracket Ashok Kumar Pramanik versus the state of West Bengal and others, comma, which covers the issue involved in this petition. Next paragraph. Having considered the respective submissions made on behalf of the parties, this court finds that in the order dated 25th April 2024 passed by the coordinate bench in Kakoli Mundol Supra, it was specifically observed taking note of order dated 9th April 2024 passed in WPA 3268 of 2015 within bracket Saurabh Noskora and others versus state.
Is of some relevance.
That all candidates who were called for interview in 2009 selection process and who filed writ petitions until 24th April 2025 shall be entitled to appointments against existing or future vacancies. Stop. It was also observed in paragraph 14 that all applications for addition of parties affirmed until 24th April 2024 needs similar consideration. Stop. Order passed in Kakoli Mundol Supra was challenged or was tested in one intra-court appeal being MAT 1180 of 2024, and the Honorable Division Bench, while dismissing said appeal, affirmed the directions as contained in Kakuli Mondal Supra. Stop. Matter travelled before the Honorable Supreme Court, resulting in dismissal of special leave petition, being special leave petition civil diary numbers 9112/2025, video order dated 21st February 2020. Stop. Next paragraph. In view of aforesaid settled position concerning recruitment, concerning selection process of 2009 2009, which is being considered in connection with district of North 24 Parganas. This court finds that it is not open to this court to consider candidature of those candidates, or to consider candidature of those candidates / participants in the said selection process who filed writ petition after 24th April 2025. 24th April 2024. 24th April 2024. Stop. In the present case, writ petition was instituted on 25th April 2025, which is long after the cut-off date fixed by the coordinate bench in Kakuli Mondal Supra. Stop. Next paragraph. It needs to be recorded herein that the panel, in respect of North 24 Parganas, in connection with 2009 selection process, was published on 10th February 2021 and same extinguished on 9th February 2022 after expiry of 1 year. Stop. It is straight law that after expiry of the panel, right of the candidates to be considered in connection with a particular selection process is withered away. Stop. In this regard, reliance is placed on the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, reported in 1996 9 SCC, State of Uttar Pradesh and others versus Harish Chandra and others, and another reported in 2009 to SCC 706, Girdhar Kumar Dadhich and another versus State of Rajasthan and others. Very recently, Justice Rishikesh Rai has also passed an order in connection with appointment of primary teachers. Same issue.
It is reported in 25/5 SCC.
Stop. Next paragraph. Therefore, in view of aforesaid discussion, no relief can be granted to the petitioners at this stage. Hence, writ petition stands dismissed. Urgent direction.
Lord, sir, my only one point, Lord.